What is up, everybody? My name is Lee Bartow and this is Cooking with Style. Let's get changed and head up to the kitchen and let's get cooking. Now that's better. Let's get upstairs and hit the kitchen. Alright guys, now that we've made it into the kitchen, we're going to go ahead and we're going to make this recipe. Today we're going to work on some shrimp with cashews and mixed vegetables and a nice savory brown sauce.
So what do you get when you mix soy sauce, chicken stock, oyster sauce, and brown sugar? You don't know? Well, the answer to that is delicious. Here's your base for your brown sauce. Also make sure that you pull out some cornstarch to make a slurry with a little bit of water to thicken it. Now this sauce could not get any easier. All you need is a sauce pot, add your chicken stock, your soy sauce, your oyster sauce, and your brown sugar. Bring that all up to a rolling boil. Turn it down to a simmer and thicken it with a little bit of cornstarch and water. Now don't go crazy on the cornstarch. You only want it thick enough to coat the back of a spoon. Time to play with a sharp object. Let's go ahead and start prepping our vegetables. Now don't forget when you're working with peppers that you make sure to take the vein out of them. And now, ladies and gentlemen, for your viewing pleasure, some completely unnecessary slow motion cutting. Alright, enough monkeying around. Let's organize our ingredients. We need our peeled jumbo shrimp, our sliced red and green bell peppers, our scallions, our bias cut celery stalks, snap peas, cashews, minced ginger, sesame oil, and minced garlic. Finally, it's time to start cooking, so act like Johnny Cash and walk the line. See what I did there? Another stupid pun. Add your sesame oil, your ginger, your garlic, your scallions, your snap peas, and your celery. They will take the longest to cook. Now that you've let your celery and your snap peas cook for about 2-3 minutes, let's go ahead and add our sliced bell pepper mixture. Now mix them up evenly and let those skinny monsters cook for about 2 minutes. Now since the shrimp were getting lonely, let's add them to the party. Now that they've joined the party, let's make sure to toss them evenly so that way they get an even disbursement of heat. And always remember, a shrimp that only cares about himself is a little shellfish. See what I did there? Another one. Now that our shrimp have had enough time to start turning pink, let's go ahead and add the cashews. Now after about another minute and a half, I want you to go ahead and add about 4 to 6 ounces of that delicious brown sauce that we made earlier. Now it's up to you on how much sauce you want to add. If you like it saucy, that's up to you. I won't judge, I promise. Now you only want it to go for about another minute and a half. You don't want the sauce to reduce too much, it'll get too salty. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for another completely unnecessary slow-mo moment?
Thanks again for watching, everybody. If you'd like to see any of my other videos, click the link right up in here. Also, if you'd like to subscribe to my channel, there'll be a link right up over here. And then as well, all the ingredients that we just covered in this recipe will be in the description down below. Thanks again, and keep cooking with style.